Welcome to London, a city steeped in history, culture, and endless adventures around every corner. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore 7 of the most iconic and unmissable attractions this captivating metropolis has to offer. From majestic architectural wonders to bustling streets brimming with life, get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we uncover the best of what London has to offer. Are you ready to dive into the magic of this extraordinary city? Let's go! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Number 1. Warner Broadway Studio Tour. Experience the magic of the Wizarding World with an enchanting behind-the-scenes tour at Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter. Immerse yourself in the captivating sets, costumes, and props that brought the beloved Harry Potter films to life. Step into iconic locations like the Great Hall, Dumbledore's office, and Hagrid's hut, and uncover the secrets of filmmaking wizardry. It's an unforgettable journey into the world of Harry Potter that promises to leave you spellbound. Approximate price, $60. Number 2. The London Eye. Step into one of the 32 glass capsules of the London Eye and embark on an unforgettable journey through the city's skyline. Marvel at breathtaking 360-degree views of London's most iconic landmarks as the capsule gracefully rotates above the River Thames. It's a mesmerizing experience that offers a unique perspective of the city's beauty. Approximate price, $40. Number 3. Madame Tussauds. Experience the magic of Madame Tussauds London, where you'll encounter an array of the world's most renowned personalities. From Shakespeare to Taylor Swift, immerse yourself in the presence of influential figures spanning showbiz, sports, politics, and royalty. Strike a pose with Usain Bolt, mingle with Beyoncé, or dive into the Marvel Universe 4D experience. It's an unforgettable journey through the realms of fame and entertainment. Approximate price, $40. Number 4. London Dungeon. Step back in time and explore the eerie depths of London's past at the London Dungeon. Encounter live actors, spine-chilling rides, and captivating special effects as you journey through the city's most gruesome history. Delve into the darkest chapters of London's past and test your bravery with 90 minutes of spine-tingling adventures. Are you ready to confront the horrors of centuries past? Approximate price, $35. Number 5. ABBA Voyage. Immerse yourself in the timeless tunes of ABBA at the extraordinary ABBA Voyage immersive show experience. Witness the iconic band come to life through dazzling special effects, accompanied by an exceptional live band performing their greatest hits. Get ready to dance and sing along to the unforgettable sounds of ABBA for an unforgettable evening. Approximate price, $75. Number 6. Camden Town. Renowned for its eclectic mix of markets, shops, and alternative culture, Camden embodies the vibrant essence of London street life. Whether you're hunting for bargains, immersing yourself in the local scene, or exploring its plethora of pubs and bars, Camden offers an unparalleled urban experience. Additionally, it boasts some of Europe's most iconic live music venues, drawing crowds from far and wide. Despite the bustling energy of Camden High Street and its surrounding areas, the neighborhood is conveniently situated near beloved outdoor havens like Regent's Park and Primrose Hill, providing a refreshing escape from the urban bustle. Number 7. God's Own Junkyard. Step into a neon wonderland at God's Own Junkyard, a psychedelic paradise in Walthamstow. Formerly the workshop of late owner Chris Bracey, known as the Neon Man, this hidden gem showcases a dazzling array of vintage signs and film props. From Hollywood blockbusters to religious statues and retro decor, every corner tells a unique story. Explore the vibrant collection housed within the warehouse, where thousands of neon creations light up the space. Whether you're a film buff, an art enthusiast, or simply in search of something extraordinary, God's own Junkyard offers an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to recharge at the Rolling Scones Cafe, nestled amidst the neon splendor. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of London's most iconic attractions. Whether you're a fan of Harry Potter, seeking breathtaking views from the London Eye, or craving an immersive ABBA experience, London has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.